is the entity flying over the parking lot. This is license 5EZM554, stalking with the Ontario International Airport that's flying over the downtown Ontario luxury apartments, where there's no takeoffs over here. Stalking with 9EKD000 upon my exit of the OVITT Family Community Library. A sex offender aiming light on me. This is a demon stalking in the path with light. Doing so while they're monitoring my vagina together as an entity, just like I showed you the United States Postal Service. Went downstairs to the first floor bathroom inside of what is a restroom, a private space with engineered light. Just like this is engineered light with perpendicular shadows. And that's the Ronald Loveridge, Julia Gu, and what is Jim Bowman, Kurt Hagman, and Alan D. Wapner, who are going to be prosecuted as terrorists while they're conspiring my murder gang, stalking me using commercial airline planes. This is the entity that's engaging in maintaining elevation west of this location over the Stater Brothers parking lot. They're not taking off. And there's no takeoff from the airport over this parking lot, over University of Laverne. License 8YJS529. This is what they're doing in Engineer Light when the fake sun is over me at the same intersection. License plate 7SGT294. These are co-conspirators of murder. And this is why you're going to federal prison for kidnapping and gang stalking with the Ontario Police Department as well, which they're all engaging in together, while the City of Ontario maintains aerial surveillance. This is P.O.C. 7YLU513. They're crossing path and monitoring with communication devices and engineered light with the government. That is co-conspirator with the people, engaging in that pattern of conduct. I documented these license plates. They're going on the record. They're sharing in that conspiracy to murder, engaging in surveillance inside of the OVITT Family Community Library, ongoing confirmation while the government is stalking in a specific environment, maintaining an ongoing pattern of conduct, stalking in commercial planes and helicopters is what that is. That's the to be disbanded terrorists, sex offenders that are monitoring my vagina with the United States Postal Service, going into the restroom to keep me under surveillance. 865. All right, this is the pattern of conduct of the mentally ill. 8PJX528, mentally ill, license plate. This is mental illness, license plate. 9LDX938, mentally ill. Co-conspiring, psychopathic mental illness, license plate 8PMP828, and the mental illness is shared by the demon that's stalking in a helicopter. Doing so at what is 8:36 p.m. the government's going to produce, because that demon's going to prison. License 9MLV953, and this is the conspiracy to murder upon psychological torture. I documented these demons in the parking lot. License plate 9VDS759. The people of the state are going to prison for this very conduct, I want to be clear. 70660Y3. This is relevant to criminal surveillance, psychological torture, harassment, and terrorism upon what is an ongoing investigation. And they did so with the police. This is threatening your life. This is P.O.C. 9GHM095. This is what demons do when American citizens are living in a bubble. They're under surveillance and they come up missing. P.O.C.